Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing another box of gold. And it's from Apmex still again. Now this one took a bit longer to come. I don't know why it actually came in yesterday, well today. But I ordered it last Friday, so that was about a good 8 days for it to come. Alright, and again, I sort of forgot what I brought, so it's like, I'm opening it the first time with you guys here. Let's take a look inside to see what I got. God dang. I don't know what they use on these things. Yeah. One moment here. I feel like I gotta be Hercules to open this box. Dang. Who made this box? The people that made Thor's hammer? Gosh. All right, so we have it yet again in a bubble wrap, plastic paper. Oh my gosh. I promise you guys, it feels like they said, hey, those who are worthy to open this bag will open this bag, and I'm just not worthy to open it right now. Let's see, what do I have here? Don't mind me, guys. Yes, I'm using a nail file clipper to try to get this thing open. So, knowing me and my habits of buying gold, probably I got one gram of gold, depending on I got 1 gram of gold based on the price of gold. I got 1 gram for like 50 something dollars, and then the rest silver. Let's add into the stack again. Yep, and the first thing they show is the gram of gold. As you can see right there. And then I like to buy these babies right here because they're like $1.50 a piece. As you can see, this is a buffalo, a gram buffalo. I like to buy these because Apmex, they charge free shipping when order is above $100. So I get these sometimes. My price is actually 90 something dollars, and I'm like, hey, I don't want it to go over 110. Let me just buy all these cheap silver. Let's see what else I have in here. Ooh, what is this? Let's see here. Let me look at the paper and see what that is. Let me open it here. See. God dang, what's up with the bag? What kind of paper? What kind of material Apmex use? Forget the gold and silver, just the material itself should be worth something. Yeah. There you go, let's see what that is. I love the casing they use on there. But it looks beautiful, I can't deny it. This little sign on the back right there. It's blue with a serial number behind it. Well, let's see what else I got. Oh man. I got Santa Claus. To be honest with you, I don't even remember buying these. It's been over 8 days, so that looks cool. Of course, it's wrapped with it. That is a 1 troy ounce. Let's see here, nice. This is cool. Like the design on this. It is. And pretty much the rest is just regular coins here. I got another buffalo right here. As you guys can see, a small buffalo. Secondary market right here. We have this, let me see if I can open this here. Oh, hold on guys, this is gonna be hard. Oops, I broke something. Cut that out. So in recap, I got this Pamp Susie right here. Beautiful, I have a couple of these. I got this 1 troy ounce of Santa Claus beard and belt. 1 troy ounce of that. and this right here. And then we also have these babies right here. I could have sworn there was another one. Hold on, I think I'm missing one. Oh, there you go. So I have these right here. 4 of them. Got 2. I got 2 secondary market buffaloes right here. And at the same time, I also have these right here. Okay, so this is gonna be a nice collection to add to my silver pile. And I always, you know, even though it's 1 ounce, I'm gonna buy a 1 ounce gold one day. Don't worry, I got you guys. And then these right here, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today, guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications, because I'm gonna be doing videos like this all the time. These are just beautiful pieces right here, and I don't plan on stopping right here. If you guys have any questions, please comment below, and have a great day. Why I work